guys! So we're here in Tucuran, Zamboanga del Sur. By the way, I'm Carl Benedict Peteros, the videographer.
I am Alkin John Jaime.
I'm Aristide Kumalan.
I am Jeffrey Panlaride, but you can call me Dandar.
I'm Lenmark Bidibet.
And I am John Ricky Villamor. And so we are here at Tucuran, Zamboanga del Sur to feature the old architecture and the sculpture that focuses on the livelihood of the people in Tucuran, Zamboanga del Sur.
Day to turn up, blow it on up till I can't even think no more. Getting ready to go dumb, then go more dumb, then we can keep it lit, let's roll.
So now guys, we are here at Barangay Militar Tucuran, Zamboanga del Sur. So let's go. Let's go guys. So hi guys, so right now we're here at in front of the ruins of the 4th Militar Tucuran in Zamboanga del Sur. So right now we are here at the front door or the entrance at the ruins. The architecture was very nice, but it was old enough because it was 126 years old, because it was built way back 1888 by the Spanish people to protect this area from the Moro pirates. So let's go inside guys. Inside. So we are here at the inside of the ruins of the 4th Militar Tucuran, Zamboanga del Sur. So this is the picture inside of the ruins. So as you can see guys, so the materials that has been used to build these ruins, so it used rocks and hard clay to build these ruins. So also the next picture that we will show is the window. So makita nato na ang window is sa inside of the ruins, is the window is widely open, or the kanang yung space is kanang dako yung space kaysa sa outside part sa ruins, because in the outside part as you can see guys, kanang gamay lang yung butas bitaw. Gamay lang yung butas. So the purpose of that is to protect the Spanish army from the pirates or the Moro pirates. So because if kanay kalaban sa gawas dili kay sila ma-notice without yun. Like if they are kanang gubat, like kanang mag-firing og mga guns, so dili kay sila dili kay mo penetrate ang bullets from the outside to the inside of the ruins. And that's all.
Hello guys, narito sa likod of ruins of 4th Military. So as you can see, na-agree ang cannon. This cannon was built in 1888. So as you can see, taya na kayong cannon, no? Wala nag-iatiman. So mo din siyang naka-tingprotekta sa area kaning cannon. So this cannon gibuhat para sa mga pirata, which is katong Moro pirates. So Moro to guys.
The ruins of the Spanish fort are the beautiful historical landmark here in Tucuran, Zamboanga del Sur, which was created during the Spanish colonization in the country way back in the century ago. This fort is located at Barangay Militar, Tucuran, Zamboanga del Sur.
Hello guys, I'm here in Tucuran. As you can see, the sculpture of Tucuran in the province. This is captured symbolize sa mga kinabuhi dito mga tao, o din ang kinabuhat nila. Capture karon na inyong nakita na dugtong niya ugot o bigan sa bigan sila mga magkamon din mga putihan kay mga tao din So, as you can see guys, nakita na usa ka rebulto o statwa nga gitawag siya sa English ka sculpture. Kini siya nga sculpture is to symbolize na siya o sa what kita ko ninyo doon na naglupso sa kista. So, what ko na siya guys, all nagat na rin. Mao po nila, we andre, yun. Same aning kuan po dito sa Pikas nga kuan sculpture is one like napoy basaglan